All right, our chicken's just about done and our onions and peppers are roasting up. So we're going to pull out our roasted vegetables. You can see they've got a nice color over the top. And so what you can do is either dump these in here and stir them up, which I don't recommend because this pan is really, really hot. Or you can add them in here and stir them up, or you can just put them in a separate container altogether, and that'll be nice and cool. So we'll move our pan away, and we'll give our veggies a nice flip. And then we're going to stir in our curry powder and water mixture. All right, we're going to take our chutney. We're actually going to put that all the way around. It's going to be part of our bed, but it's also going to be part of our garnish because of the nice color that it has. All right, now we're starting to turn slightly yellow here. So we're going to take our vegetables, put them all around. We want to get some of that nice red, green, and purple color. Now we'll take our chicken off and plate that. And we're going to top it with our cucumber, red pepper, sugar, rice wine vinegar water. Put that right over the top, and then we want to drain that juice all over the top so to get a nice vinegar flavor to it. And then we'll come and give our lime cilantro yogurt mixture a final squeeze, and we'll place some. This is really just going to accentuate all the other colors on the plate. And then here we go. We have our chicken satay with our peach chutney and our cilantro lime yogurt.